Have you ever been at church when old women are yelling at you? The reason for that is they're hungry. I've got a solution. The church dessert. Okay, how to make the church dessert is that you get a pan like so, and it says that you need a half a cup of butter. No. I put 2 sticks of butter in, and you put it in the oven and you melt it to not have another bowl get dirty. Now you put the 2 sticks of butter in, it melts, and then you add your 1 cup of flour. You spread it around for a crust. You add your walnuts to the crust, and then you let it cool. So after you've done all that, you get another bowl, and you get, it says to have 1 vanilla and 1 chocolate. I put 2 chocolate pudding things in, and you get 3 cups of milk, and you just dump it in the bowl and you stir. And after you're done stirring, you just put it in the pan like this. Now, what you're actually supposed to do is you're supposed to put your whipped cream and cream cheese, like sauce or whatever on the bottom, and then the chocolate, but that's okay. So after you are done mixing up your chocolate, you can do your cream cheese, and you need 8 ounces of cream cheese. And then it says, yet again, you need, let's see here, it says you need 3 cups of frozen whipped topping thawed. Well, you know what? You don't. You need more, because it's not, and I actually, let me tell you something here. When I make this, to make it good, is you use whole milk, you use butter, and you use the fattiest kind of whipped cream you can find. After that, you stir it around so it gets nice and smooth like this. It takes a little bit of time. And then it looks like this. That doesn't pleasure me. You need a little bit more of whipped cream in there. Okay. Normally I just put the whole container in, because what are you going to do? I mean, it only costs 99 cents. So you stir it around even more. And it has that real rich white color to it, which I love. Now, you take your bowl of white rich, and you just go ahead and you dump it in on top of the white. And then, after that, because it has cream cheese in it, it doesn't taste funny or anything, it actually tastes really good. But some people say, oh, that tastes like cream cheese. No, it doesn't. So, after that, you just put it on the pan like so. Try not to get any chocolate on your white part, because that would just look horrible. That'd just be horrible. You just spread it around, and this takes a little bit of time. But I'm going to get a little bit of chocolate on it because I'm in a hurry. And then what I like to do is actually I get a chocolate bar, and I get to do like the carrots or whatever you do to it, you just put a little bit of chocolate on top of the white, and then you can make it look a little bit better. Okay, so it looks like that after that. I know it's bad. But then you get another thing of whipped cream topping, and then all you do on that is you just dump it right on, okay? As you can see. Now, if you wanted to, this is acceptable, you can actually melt butter, put it on top of the whipped cream, and eat it like that. Trust me, folks, it's good. It's a lot of white, but you know what? It's worth it. I mean, we don't need any chocolate. And the crust, you actually have to bake so it's crunchy. And you bake at the oven for 350 for 15 minutes. And you put walnuts in at the bottom, like I said. And I honestly hate walnuts or nuts or whatever they are, so I don't put that much in, but I know some people like that. So after that, we'll just, yeah, you can actually, after that, you can put 2 tablespoons of chopped not peanuts, but walnuts on top of that, or nuts or whatever, and then put more chocolate on. But what I just do is I leave it like that, and it looks a little bit nicer when I'm not in a rush. But then, after you're all done, it should just look it should and will look something like that. You have your crust, you have your chocolate, and then you have your white. Thank you.